Welcome to week 34, assignment 3. This week is a vocabulary week. So we're reviewing vocabulary we've had in the past that goes along with code.org to make sure that you guys know what each one of them is responsible for doing, since the lessons are broken up by these different vocabulary terms. We're just reviewing them. It makes it for an easy review during testing week. So if you go to the actual assignment and you click on the review game, you can see here, if you want to see all of the questions and answers, or no, all of the questions and possible answers, you can do it here. But what the reason why I chose this is because you can go all these different games, you can choose and you can play with them, and it just makes it something different, that you can do, so that it's just another way for you to study it. And then once you are done studying it, you will go back to assignment 3 and you will take the quiz. It is multiple choice. There are only 7 words, so it's really pretty simple. And you can only take it once. It is a quiz. So if you have any problems or questions, please message me. If not, I hope you have a great week. Take your time, do well on the test, and I hope to see you guys soon.